In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master database in Notion and use it as your main source of information. The goal here is to build one central database that stores everything important in a structured way and then display that information across other pages using linked views. This makes your workspace much easier to manage because instead of updating the same information in multiple places, you only need to maintain one reliable source and start by creating a brand new database that will serve as your master database. Think of this as the core hub for your information. It should be the place where your essential records live, whether those are tasks, project items, notes, or any other entries you want to organize in one system. Giving yourself this single source of truth helps reduce confusion and keeps your setup clean. Once the database is created, add the main properties you'll need to organize and sort your information. Common examples include a status property to track progress, a date property for deadlines or scheduling, a category property to group similar items, and an owner property to show responsibility. These properties give your database structure and make it much easier to filter, sort, and review later. After that, begin adding all related tasks, notes, projects, or records into this master database. The key idea is consistency. Instead of spreading information across separate disconnected pages, place it here so everything can be managed from one location. This will make searching, tracking, and maintaining your workspace much more efficient over time. Next, create linked database views on other Notion pages. Linked views allow you to display the contents of your master database in different places without duplicating the actual information. This is especially useful when you want one page to show project-related items, another page to show tasks, and another to highlight notes, all while pulling from the same original database. Once those linked views are in place, filter each one so it only shows the information that belongs on that page. Filters are what make linked views truly useful because they let you tailor what appears in each location while still relying on the same master source behind the scenes. If your setup involves multiple databases, add relations wherever needed to connect the master database to those other databases. Relations help you build stronger links between related information and make your system more flexible. Finally, keep your master database updated. Since all linked views depend on it, accurate and consistent updates here will ensure everything else stays current as well. When maintained properly, this approach gives you a powerful, organized Notion system that's easy to scale and easy to trust.